As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these Charbroil grills, the Grill2Go X200 and the Performance Series 4-burner, trying to decide which one's better for me. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. They're pretty different actually. The Grill2Go X200 ASINB00 BFPMLI8 is a portable propane grill, right? It's super compact.
Exactly. I like the idea of taking it camping or tailgating. So, is the other one, the Performance Series, ASINB07JZSNC33, more of a stay-at-home kind of grill?
Definitely. It's a full-sized grill with 4 burners and a side burner too. Way more cooking space. You're looking at 200 square inches on the Grill2Go versus a whopping 575 on the Performance Series.
Wow, that's a big difference. So the Grill2Go is more for small groups, like maybe just me and a friend, and the Performance Series is for the whole family, or even a party.
Precisely. And the Performance Series has a 46,000 BTU rating, while the Grill2Go has 9,500 BTU. That means the Performance Series will probably heat up faster and get hotter.
Okay, so the Performance Series is more powerful. But what about portability? I do like the idea of being able to take a grill anywhere.
Well, the Grill2Go only weighs 20 pounds, making it easy to carry. The Performance Series, on the other hand, is a hefty 97 pounds. Not exactly something you'd want to lug around. The Grill2Go runs on those small propane tanks, and the Performance Series uses a 20-pound tank.
Yeah, that makes sense. What about the grates? Are they both easy to clean?
Both have porcelain-coated steel or cast iron grates, designed for rust resistance and easier cleaning. But the Performance Series has cast iron grates. The Grill2Go uses Charbroil's TRU-Infrared cooking system, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups.
That's interesting. I hate flare-ups. So if I'm mainly grilling at home and need lots of space, the Performance Series is the way to go, right? And if I want something portable and easy to use for smaller cookouts, the Grill2Go is better?
You got it. Just one thing to note, the Performance Series is currently unavailable. Make sure it's in stock before you set your heart on it.
Good point. Thanks for the help. That really clears things up. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.